How to see My Eyes Only without password on Snapchat. Today we're tackling a common issue. What to do if you forgotten your My Eyes Only password on Snapchat? Can you access it without the passcode? Let's find out. Before we start, it's important to note that My Eyes Only is a secure feature means to protect your private content. Snapchat does not provide any backdoor access even to themselves. So, first things first, make sure your Snapchat app is updated to the latest version. After you've done that, let's access My Eyes Only. Simply open your Snapchat app and log into your account. Once you're logged in, tap on the gallery icon. From there, simply go to My Eyes Only tab. And as you can see here, you'll need to simply enter a passcode to see what's inside it. If you've forgotten a password, simply tap on options and you'll have two options: change passcode and forgot password. If you know the current password, you can simply change password by entering the new password. If not, simply tap on forgot password. All you need to do is enter your Snapchat account password. Once you've done that, you'll be able to access Snapchat My Eyes Only. But you should try to know that when you try to recover your My Eyes Only, everything, the data it had will be disappeared. So if you happy with that, you can simply go ahead and change your passcode, and that's it. While there's no way to bypass the passcode, you can reset it if necessary.